Kyrie Irving may still be sidelined for the 2025-2026 NBA season, but the Dallas Mavericks star continues to make waves beyond the court. Recently, Irving revealed the ANTA KAI 3, his third signature basketball shoe with Chinese sportswear brand Anta. Since signing a 5-year deal in 2023, the partnership has steadily gained global attention for combining strong performance features with accessible pricing. The Kai line has also allowed Irving to explore lifestyle-inspired designs that fans did not often see before. The upcoming Kai 3 follows an annual refresh cycle and is expected to arrive by 2026. It keeps a familiar shape from the Kai 2 while introducing a sportier look through updated midsoles and sleeker uppers. Performance highlights include nitrogen-infused N2 foam cushioning, a reinforced heel counter, and forefoot stability. The debut colorway takes inspiration from the Year of the Horse. The ANTA KAI 3 is scheduled to release on January 17 for $135.